Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Baldur Gate 3 game any kind of crashing, lagging or the freezing issues. I will show you guys how you can optimize your PC for this game. So let's get started. Guys, first you have to consider that your PC has the minimum or the recommended requirement to run this game. If you have these requirement and if your game is still crashing, then this is the problem. So let's see how we can fix it. So first right click on your taskbar and open up the task manager. You can also go to the Windows setup here, the task manager, and it will appear on the top. Just open it. And here you have to just simply close all the background processes and go to the startup. And this is very important setting. You just need to disable all the application from here because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission, cause a lot of CPU usage, RAM usage. So all you do is just disable this application. When these applications are enabled, this will consume a lot of CPU or the RAM, which will also cause your game crash. So once you disable it, now we are going to set the high performance power plan for our PC that will fix any kind of FPS problem. Go to the Windows setup at the control panel and open it and select the view bar to the large icons and click on the power options. And on the left hand side, click on the create a power plan and then click on the high performance power plan. If you have the PC, then select the high performance. If you have the laptop, then select the balance, then click on the next, then click on the create. And guys, once you created the high performance power plan, now we are going to increase our graphic card RAM. So you can go to the Windows setup at the view advanced system settings and this setting will show on the top. Just open it and just go to the advanced, click on the settings and go to the advanced tab on the top and click on the change. And then here just select the C where your operating system is installed. And now we are going to increase our RAM. So whenever our game need more resources to run, our maximum RAM will be used, which will increase our disk space. So here you just need to uncheck this box of the automatically manage paging file size. Then go to the Windows setup here, the calculator and open it. Now guys, we are going to calculate the memory which we can type in the initial size or maximum size. So you can multiply 8 with the 1024 if you have the 8 GB of RAM and type this value in the initial size and multiply it with the 3 and type this value in the maximum size. And guys, after that, if you have the 16 GB of RAM, then you can multiply the 16 with the 1024, which is the constant value, then type this value in the initial size and multiply it with the 3 and type this value in the maximum size. Now guys, your RAM is increased. Click on the set option and then click on the apply, click on the OK. Now guys, we are going to increase our number of processors. Whenever our game need more CPU to run, so our maximum number of processor will be used. So go to the Windows setup here, the system configurations and open it. Now go to the boot option or the tab on the top and click on the advanced option. And here check this box of the number of processors. And here you just need to select the highest number of processor you have. If you have the 16 or the 8 or any value, you can select the maximum, then click on the OK, then click on the apply, click on the OK, then just restart your PC to apply the changes, then just launch the Steam and launch the game. I hope sure any kind of crashing or the lagging issue will be fixed with the Baldur's Gate 3 game. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me and I will see you guys in the next video.